So here's a nice little CSS animation to make this subtle shimmer effect that you can see right here, which is sometimes quite useful for placeholder content that shows whilst you're loading data for a page. So in the HTML we've got an article here with some dummy content inside it. This is the placeholder stuff I'd probably show until I've loaded whatever article content I need to show. We've also got a div here with the class of shimmer. This is the element that's going to be a shimmer that runs across the article. In the CSS we add a few basic styles to the article and the divs inside it, mainly cosmetic, but the important thing is that we set the article position to be relative. That's because the shimmer div inside it has a position of absolute or relative to the article, and we set the position to be 0 and 0, top and left. We also give the shimmer a width of 150 pixels and a height of 100%. The shimmer itself is going to have a gradient for a background at a slight angle, and this gradient background basically goes from completely transparent to light grey and back to transparent. And in a browser the shimmer looks like this, and now we just need to animate it. To do that, add a keyframes animation called shimmer, which goes from 0 to 100%. At 0% we translate the element in the x direction across by -300%, so it goes outside the article boundary to the left. At 100% we translate it way off to the right, so it's going to have the effect of travelling from the left to the right across the article. Apply this animation to the shimmer selector, taking 1.5 seconds on an infinite loop and with a linear easing function. And now we get that nice shimmer animation effect. Awesome.